Hello again. So now let's do some translation exercises with avoir. Let's have a look. Translate the following sentences into French using the verb avoir in the present tense. So, okay, so that's the exercises. So, you just click, type your answer, and then go to the correction and check yourself and follow the correction with me if you want. Okay, so I have a dog. J'ai un chien. J'ai un chien. Okay. You have a car. Tu as une voiture. Tu as une voiture. Okay. He has a pen. Il a un stylo. Il a un stylo. Okay. We have a house. Nous avons une maison. Très bien. So make sure to make the little connection there with the S and the next vowel sounds like a Z. Nous avons une maison. So see, is the exception here. See, une voiture, feminine, has a E. Un chien, masculine, doesn't have a E. Un stylo doesn't have a E. Un, it's masculine. But une maison, une with a E on the end, so une. Maison doesn't have a on the end, but it's feminine. So that's a little exception for us here. Alors, nous avons une maison. Très bien. So how would you do now if you wanted to do it in the on form? The one that we use 95% of the time. So to say we have a house, you would say on a une maison. It conjugates with a like this, like il a, elle a, on a. On a une maison. Très bien. So they feminine. So elle with a S on the end. Elle. Alors, they have books. Elles ont des livres. Alors, ici, here, we make the little connection with the S and the next vowel, and it sounds like a Z. Elles ont des livres. Elles ont des livres. Très bien. You have time. You plural. You guys. Vous avez le temps. Vous avez le temps. Super. Alors, she has books. Elle a des livres. Elle a des livres. Elle a des livres. Super. So now we have a bike. We have one bike. We have a bike. Nous avons un vélo. Oh, sorry. Well, nous avons un vélo. Okay, if we do it with the new form, but we've worked out that we always say on 95% of the time, unless we're in a very formal setting. So we say on a un vélo. And we make the little connection with the N and the next vowel. And it says on a un vélo. On a un vélo. On a un vélo. Super. Now you formal have time. So formal, vous. Informal would be tu. But formal or plural is vous. So here formal, vous avez le temps. Vous avez le temps. So make the little connection with the S and the next vowel. Vous avez, sounds like a Z, like a zoo. Vous avez le temps. Super. So now I have a notebook. J'ai un cahier. J'ai un cahier. Très bien. So he has a house. Il a une maison. Il a une maison. And how would you say if you said she has a house? Elle a une maison. And how would you say if you said we have a house? On a une maison. Très bien. Let's see this next one. We have magazines, plural. Nous avons des magazines. Nous avons des magazines. So we make the little connection with the S here, and the next vowel sounds like a Z. Nous avons des magazines. Let's see this next one. Okay, the last two sentences. Les deux dernières phrases. Alors, they have a car. Ils ont une voiture. Ils ont une voiture. So they, masculine, is il, with the S on the end. And because on starts with a vowel, the S makes a little liaison, the connection, and it sounds like a Z. Ils ont une voiture. Voiture is feminine, has a E on the end, so une. Ok. Ils ont une voiture. Très bien. So, you singular. So what's you singular? It's tu. You have a cat. Tu as un chat. Tu as un chat. Super, great. So that's it for a little practice here. Let's see what we've got next. Okay, so in the next video, we're gonna practice the negations again. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video.